Hi, welcome to Bio 21 Organismal Biology. My name is Brianna McCarthy. You can call me Brianna. I'm your professor for this class, and I wanted to introduce myself in person. I've been at Los Medanos for 5 years as a full-time instructor. Before that, I worked for about 8 years, part of that time as an instructor at a bunch of other community colleges and also at California Academy of Sciences as a teacher coach. And I'm excited to now be at Los Medanos full time, and I have a lot of roles on campus, from being a department co-chair to being on the teaching and learning committee and doing sustainability work and other exciting STEM-related projects, namely putting on the research symposium, the STEM symposium that hopefully you all will be participating in this year. That's my work life, but I also have personal life, of course, and my passion is swimming. I've been all around the world. I've been to the cold English Channel and crossed the channel with a relay of 4 other women in 2017. It took us over 17 hours to do the swim, but it was a big life goal that I accomplished. I also, most of the time you'll find me with goggles on, swimming in the bay or swimming in pools. In the pool, I'm a swimmer, but I'm also a synchronized swimmer. So we wear these nose clips to keep water out of our noses, and we also perform and compete all around the world. And I can't show you any moves because it's on, I'm on land and the magic happens in the water, but this is the secret to keeping water out of your nose. So that's a little bit about my personal life. I live in San Francisco, so I have a long commute in, but I only come in a few days a week. So back to Bio 21, this course is really exciting. We do so many hands-on things, from field trips to Big Break Regional Shoreline, Black Diamond Mines, and do some hiking. We make observations in lab, of course, of fossils. We dissect organisms. We dissect a cow eye and a sheep brain and a rat and a squid. And we also really dig deep into ecology by doing a research project that you guys will be conducting from start to finish throughout the course of the semester, which will really build your research skills. Not only skills such as micropipetting and staining, but also skills such as how does a scientist design a research question, how do you persist when your project's not turning out the way that you thought it would, or you're not able to answer your question. All of those skills will be involved in the research project. The goal of engaging in all of these activities is to really support you in developing the thinking habits of a scientist, to look for examples of unity and diversity out there in the world. What are the features that unite us with all organisms, from small prokaryotic organisms like bacteria all the way to complex eukaryotic organisms, like mice and squid and fungi. So our goal is to think like scientists, and that's what we're really going to be focusing on this semester. So I look forward to the learning journey with you guys, and I'll be seeing you around.